Hi, everybody. Hi. Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram.
Okay, exciting day for us here today because we are doing some good projects. First, we have Tuki Tuki here. Tuki Tuki, some of you will remember, is an old school project of ours from January 3rd of 2020. We bought this with the hopes of converting it into a mobile t-shirt store. And as you can see, when I designed Tuki Tuki, I was already thinking camper van style. I was trying to figure out how our family could fit in there at night because, you know, I'm a tall person. And so I was designing this to be a store, but also in the back of my mind to be a camper van. Of course, we all have broken dreams, right? Because when you think back on January 3rd of 2020, what do you think of in March of 2020? April of 2020, the pandemic was fully on. And yeah, I mean, we still had hopes for probably a year, if you can imagine. Got the whole build done. And then once the build was done, everybody was in complete lockdown. So this is our broken dreams. One day, we're going to resurrect Tuki Tuki, probably not to drive on the road. The engine's good, that we could still use the engine as like a generator. So we could still have a t-shirt shop anywhere we want it. We are going to resurrect Tuki Tuki, but today, we're here for an excited project. We are getting our new hopes going again. So this is, of course, Big White. Big White has been on and off the road for us, mainly due to life circumstances. You know, we have a lot of obligations. The major part of 15 months, we've had Big White, unfortunately, parked. But today, we are getting Big White back on the road. We bought brand new rims. How awful they are because of some male dogs around here, where the storage spot is, you know. They're kind of like guard dogs for us. And we got to get the new rims on. We got 4 brand new tires, so we're super excited about that. And yeah, we're just going to spruce up Big White here and hopefully get him back on the road. And stay tuned because we have some exciting adventures coming up with some very special people. So stay tuned.
Taong 2021 nang aming simulan itong aming DIY campervan. Likha ng sarili naming mga kamay at mga angking talento sa larangan ng sining. Because of this campervan, we were able to travel and enjoy being out in nature while social distancing during the pandemic. For us, van life is not just a weekend getaway. Van life is a lifestyle. Hindi pa man natutuloy ang aming pangarap na maging full-time van lifers dahil sa sitwasyon namin sa aming buhay ngayon, nandoon pa rin ang pangarap na libutin ang magagandang lugar sa Pilipinas gamit ang campervan.
Why isn't this working? All right, it's time to make these rims ours. We're gonna personalize them, Big White style. Look at these buttes, brand new. So let's get this on the table and get the spray paint out. Oh, it's been a while. And these are our brand new MRF tires from India, heavy duty. We got a super good deal on them, like 2,676 each or something. So super excited about these because we need something heavy duty because Big White is a big white van and has a lot of weight in it. So, all right, let's get to it before the rain comes.
Alright, Paul finished the black spray paint on the rims. It started raining. So now it's my turn to do the white speckle that matches the exterior of the van in some of our black areas there.
The first thing we painted on the van, of course, was the big white, the windbreaker. And we decided to go with this black with white speckle. And we liked how it worked, especially with what Bing did on the side here. This was, I think it was her idea. I'll give her credit. You know, the van life, simplicity, travel, freedom, you know. And then I thought, why not, since there's such a black and white theme anyway, how it came, why not just start to do white speckle with everything that's black, which became around the windshield, bumper, you know, mirrors, even on the sides of the doors here, anywhere where there was black. So now we have the rims. So it's exciting. I think when we get it on later on this afternoon, it's going to look great. Well, I thought we were going to be on the road today because we only have 2 rims. We have 4 tires, but only 2 rims for the back, which were the worst, I thought, because this was completely sealed with plastic. But as you can see, look at this. Watch this. So that's not good. It's around the whole thing. And these it's not like these tires are like the best tires in the world, you know. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to find 2 more rims, and we'll spend our day doing that right now before the rush hour comes through Los Baños, because anybody that knows about Los Baños, Laguna, knows that the rush hour is crazy. So we don't want to get stuck in bumper to bumper traffic for an hour. So we're gonna head out now because it's like early afternoon, like after lunch. So, and it's a Friday. So if we don't do it now, we will be stuck in the resort traffic. We'll be stuck in the traffic of people coming home from work.
The Bocopay traffic.
Bocopay traffic, and just the normal Los Baños traffic that never eases up. So let's get to it. So anyway, that's going to delay us. We're going to stay here for a few days and just get this thing going. All right. So we got our 2 used tires today. We didn't even have to go anywhere. We found them on Facebook Marketplace. They were gently used, so production date 2023, which is great. And we used Lala Move, something I didn't think about when I got the first 2 rims brand new and paid almost double for them, because these are brilliant. And look, they came black already.
Ta-da!
Yeah, if I had thought about it, I would have just bought all 4 and had them shipped to Tagaytay. With the shipping would have been cheaper, and we would have had them by now. We'd probably be on the road by now. So Bing's gonna just spackle with white because she doesn't even need to. We don't need to paint this black. All right, let's do it.
Let's do this.
Dry. Hopefully it dries outside a little bit, and we'll be able to get to the vulcanizing shop.
Shout out to Ronnie's Tire Supply and Vulcanizing Shop at Barangay Baybayin, Los Baños, Laguna.
We got scared because they were jacking up the van. She panicked.
This is what happens after 2 years of having the rims exposed to dog pee. Kaya yung mga sasakyan nyo, ingatan nyo yung rims. Huwag nyo pabayaang maihian ng aso. Mahal ang rims ba?
There you go.
So we finally made it here. We're in Cityland, prime residence.
Yes.
Tagaytay.
Yes.
Welcome back to Tagaytay. Big White, it's been a year, I think. So we're getting Big White back on the road. We have a few little issues with a screeching belt that I can't seem to isolate on my own. So we have to find a mechanic, and
DIYer.
some loose play with the steering, which is not fun to drive, especially on the expressway.
Yep.
But Big White got here in one piece. I got here in one piece. They drove the other car. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing inspected, and then hopefully by this weekend we're camping. So stay tuned.
Yes, excited for that, Miriam?
Really good adventure coming up. And yeah, stay tuned.
Yeah, and if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.
Sending love
From